Okay, today we have Professor Jiao here, and just before we begin, could you introduce yourself to everyone?
Hi everyone, my name is Jiantao Jiao. I'm a director of research at NVIDIA. I'm also a member of faculty at UC Berkeley. I focus on conducting research on AI, machine learning, covering the foundational methodologies to building cutting-edge language models. I'm excited about AI for science. Thinking about how we can best utilize the power of AI. We use this as a new form of intelligence to better help human beings. Really excited to be here to be participating in the SAIR interviews.
Yeah, from your perspective, how important is it for organizations like SAIR to help shape how we think about the use of AI in scientific discovery?
Yeah, I think SAIR actually play a very critical role in whole process of scientific discovery. I can think of this from multiple different angles. It can actually help foster partnerships between academia and the industry. It can also help launching some mutual initiatives, helping us benchmark AI, help us evaluate AI, help us advance AI in terms of proposing new methodologies. At the same time, it can actually also promote global awareness of AI, in particular of AI's capability, how we can best use AI, and how we can best control AI in mission critical applications.
On that topic, how are you seeing this industry sort of shift with the use of AI, right? Beyond just traditional academic publishing, beyond just algorithms, how are we seeing a change in how AI is used in this field?
Yeah, I think AI is actually having a tremendous impact on both academia and the industry. In particular, in the old days, people are trained for a very, very long time to be able to contribute meaningfully to science. Currently, AI serves as a super strong assistant. AI has read old literature, and sometimes maybe it hallucinates, but sometimes it also provides really meaningful ideas for scientists to try. So I think that can really accelerate the progress of science by enabling many people with little training to participate in the whole process of scientific discovery. That's also, I think, the place where SAIR could actually play a very critical role in.
I agree, yeah. And I think especially cross-disciplinary cooperation is very important here. By giving this lower barrier to entry, we have more cooperation, which I think is great. And today you talked about the world model where we have essentially a calibrated uncertainty, right? And we use that basically by analyzing data and then we apply it to simulations to get a better understanding of what might actually happen in the real world. How does the system identify errors quickly and how does it update or adapt quickly to those errors?
Yeah, when I was talking about world models, I'm really thinking about how we can actually utilize the power of AI to enhance the current methodology of doing simulation. So there has been many fields where simulation is playing a critical role to enable the progress of the field. But many times, maybe simulation is imperfect, consumes lots of time, and data is very expensive to get. However, these days, utilizing the power of AI, there's a potential for building very high quality simulated environments so that we can very accurately predict what actually will be the next state of the environment once the agent takes some actions. And it can be done really, really efficiently. If it's done in that way, it can be extremely fast in terms of delivering the final outputs, final prediction, and also help the agents or the language models or the robotics foundation models to update itself. Of course, in this whole process, there's always issue of data fidelity, long tail, extreme events. But I do believe that it's also a place where AI comes in. For example, AI should be able to assign accurate uncertainty to its predictions. Then we know where to explore to collect more data. And AI should also sometimes tell us what exactly will be the extreme events we really haven't covered. Once we cover that, then we'll be able to maybe conduct more scientific discovery or design experiments for next step.
And from there, more broadly, do you see AI evolving towards more increasingly specialized roles, or would it would the primary focus still be the general use AI? And at this stage, what direction do you think is more important for us?
Yeah, I think that's a very good question. Certainly, the generalist models, they really provide very solid foundational intelligence. They're experts actually on many different domains. There are certain things they are not aware of. Maybe they are not trained on this type of data. They have no experience in certain environments. And we actually do need to train the AI in those environments to enable the AI to help us in particular applications. I do believe that the final situation would actually be co-integration and coexistence of generalist models and specialized models, depending on different types of data, either private data or public data, or different types of applications. And they should really work together to utilize the foundational reasoning capability of large models to actually deliver unprecedented value to particular areas and applications.
Okay, that'll be all. Thank you very much for showing up today.
Thank you.
It was great hearing
Thank you for
from
having
you.
me.
And until next time.